Today I'm going to share with you my secrets of how to design a conversion heavy business landing page. So conversion focused or conversion PPC conversion, or you want to get more clients, you want to build an email list, you want to get the phone numbers of your clients, then you are at the right place. So I'm going to share with you my whole design process along with how we actually develop, what are the things you should consider in your landing page if you are designing or developing a landing page for a business. So if you want a business landing page design or development services, you can hire me, of course. But let's move on to the real stuff. Okay. So this is actually my Figma file, and you can see whenever I design, I try to keep in mind that the design is going to load within 3 seconds. Okay, so we actually optimize Google Core Vitals, and we try to get a score of at least 95% or 95 or above 95. I'm going to show you in just a few seconds. So let's zoom to the design. So this is the design actually, and I think we should zoom a little bit more to the design to get the better view. Okay, so I had option one, header one for the design for the business. This was a financial business, Summit Tax Relief. Okay, so tax companies and finance companies, coaches, they come a lot to me. This is the man, this is the guy, Mark, for whom I was designing. Okay, so this is header one option. This is the header two option with the bigger picture with this mark over here. And this was another one with a green background, and this was another one with a blue background. So client actually loved this because I think the lighter colors at the top are more inviting. So whenever you design something like this or a business landing page, the top section should be more inviting. The typefaces, you can see over here why this typeface is looking so good, and it is asking for a handshake. So because I am obsessed with typefaces, and I think they are going to convey your message in a tone which your business actually desires on a website or a landing page. So if you want to convey your business message, your typeface should be very, very accurate, and it should represent that message. Okay, so the tone and the voice of that typeface should be your business tone and voice. Okay, so this is a bit like very professional, inviting, calm, structured kind of typeface. So this is what I used. I mostly use a single typeface because for loading purposes or page speed, it actually hinders. Okay, so this is a click to call action button. This is this form, email form, and we have experienced that if you keep them to just three fields and don't ask some relevant question like this one, people are going to get annoyed. So they might not fill it because they want you to be interested in their problem. So if they are here for a tax problem, there must be a field that is going to ask them that what problem you are having with your tax or something like that. Okay, so few badges, authority, just to generate authority, few more badges, video testimonials, testimonials, that is going to scroll like that. I'm going to show you just a coded version in few minutes. Another video over here, another section, CPA, more authority building, this one, another one. Here was another issues we solved. So this is actually the services you provide with your business. So this is the services section. Try to limit your text. Okay, so people are going to read mostly this. They are going to read, they are going to look at this, read this, look at this, read this. They are not going to read everything. Yes, they are going to read the bottom if they are going to look for this. So if they want to get tax penalties issues, they have tax penalty, they are going to read this. Okay. Another section, why we should be selected, why us, different features. Another one, our tax resolution process. So this is a kind of timeline design for me. Frequently asked questions. This is a pretty standard for every business. If you have a business landing page or business website, this is a pretty standard part of your your design. Okay. Get free consultation, repeating the top form at the bottom, and few more privacy policy, and this is a really important privacy policy. Click to call action, your address, your location. This is good. Sometime people really want to meet you rather than talk on the phone, so they can just click over here and get the directions. Now I'm going to share with you the developed version. So this is our developed version. Let me load it back. Okay, so very quick to load, and you can see this is a button. So if I click, it is going to say the call. You can see this get appointment. This has been loaded after 4 or 5 seconds. Okay, so this is the top, and you can see this is again a few animations. You can see these are going to be loaded after some time. This is the scrolling. This is the scrolling animation I told you about, and again a few loading animations. This is video we produced. We edited this video and we put it over here.
Hey there, I'm Mark Bollinger, a licensed CPA and the founder of Summit Tax Relief. Listen, I've owned my own business since 2011.
I really love this video. Okay, so this is one of the best video over here, which is I think a great addition. Again, you can see these are few interactions. I love this. These are done by my developer. He is trained by me and he is a very good developer. Okay, so here we have few more animations, filling animations. So here's the timeline, 1 2 3 4. Okay, resolution. So your process of how you actually deal with the problem or your business, whatever the services you provide. Frequently asked questions, these are just accordions. Again we have something over here. Let's test this out. So this is actually auto formatting for US numbers. We have used some code over here to get this auto formatting of US phone numbers. And this is again this is the map. This is actually again the phone number call to action. Okay, so this is get appointment, and let me show you the responsive version. So here is iPhone. Let's use Pro Max. So here we have the iPhone version over here, and we actually changed some of the layout on the iPhone or phone versions. You can see now they are static. I don't want to scroll on a mobile phone because we have limited space over here. I still feel that this logo is a bit smaller. I think we should make it a bit more bigger, but I will ask my developer to make it a more bigger. This is again this section. Some of the arrangement or layout has been changed. A few more things over here. Again this section, this one, you can see now this is a simple straightforward process. No, we are not using that left timeline effect. So again we have few things over here. Again the form is in the top to bottom, and this is the whole story of building a web page. Okay, so let's try to test it on different resolutions. You can see over here. Okay, so this is the whole story of building a great business landing page. Your contact number is essential. You should offer something free over there that is valuable for the users, and try to have a face associated with your business or your website or whatever you are designing or building, because people are going to respond to faces or people more than businesses or entities. Okay, So this is my 2 cent on business landing page. If you want to develop a business landing page, or you are a coach or service provider, you want to hire me as your business landing page developers or business landing page designer, you can contact me on these phone numbers or emails, or you can get to my website and you can fill out the form. So that is all. I hope next time when we meet, you are going to design a lovely landing page design. There are a lot of landing pages I have designed for different agencies and startups, and I think, let me show you. So this is a landing page for a startup. This is just the presentation. So this is a 2 minutes report. This is for a startup. This is a bit totally different theme, sorry. And so this is again TextCure. This is another one. We are still working on the design. This is basically blog post and whole web app design for TextCure. So you can see over here results and filters and different areas. This is the design we're working on. You can see over here, this is TextCure. So a lot of companies, they're working with me on their website designs from US, United States. So here we have the design. This is a mobile design. We actually were focusing more on the mobile. You can see over here, because the client was worried about SEO and other things that Google actually ranked down their website. So there are factors we discussed on a meeting. So this is all. I think you have understood what a business landing page is and what are the things you need on a business landing page, how you can make it more conversion effective, or you can increase the conversion of your landing page, business landing page. So I will see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.